In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Adobe Acrobat unlicensed product issue. If you've ever encountered this, you know how frustrating it can be when you're ready to get to work, but you can't use your tools. So let's walk through this process step by step, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have your Adobe Acrobat up and running smoothly. First, you'll want to start by navigating to your home page and clicking on your profile icon. This should be located in the upper right corner of your screen. And from there, select the option labeled My Plan. This will direct you to your account settings where you can see all your current subscriptions and products. Once you're on the My Plan page, look for the section titled Plans and Payment and give it a click. This will take you to a new screen where you'll have the option to view all of your products. You'll want to click on Products here. Accessing this section is essential because it's where you'll manage the licenses associated with your Adobe account. Now, this is the crucial part where we address the unlicensed product status. Under the Products section, there should be a field labeled Serial Number. Here, you will need to enter your license key. This is the license key you received either when you purchased the product or through your organization's IT department if it was installed on your work computer. If you don't have it handy, make sure you retrieve it, as it's essential for this process. Be sure to input the license key accurately to avoid any further issues. After entering your license key, simply hit the Register button. This process shouldn't take very long, and it should effectively link your Adobe product to your account, removing the unlicensed product status. If everything goes smoothly, you'll receive a confirmation message indicating that your product has been registered successfully. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you should now have a fully licensed version of Adobe Acrobat ready for use. If you encounter any issues during registration, double-check that the license key was entered correctly and ensure that your Adobe account is in good standing with the correct subscription details. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide has helped you resolve the Adobe Acrobat unlicensed product issue. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and helpful tips. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below or reach out directly through our community page. We're always here to help. Have a great day, and happy working!